If you're in a room, if you have any particular rooms in your house that are cold in the wintertime or hot in the summertime, this is a sign of window failure. Up to 20% of the exterior wall surface of your home are glass and doors. So your windows and doors, they take up about 20% of the exterior wall surface. There's no insulation value in glass. So your walls have an R value, but your glass does not. You have argon-filled dual pane glass that acts as an insulation to keep the temperatures from the outside and the temperatures from the inside of your home separate. So if you're sitting next to a window and it's drafty and you're cold, it's just a comfort thing. You definitely know that your windows are failing. But mostly your heating and cooling bills are going to be higher. You're going to have heat loss in the wintertime. You're going to lose your air conditioning or your air-conditioned air in the summertime. So you'll notice that your utility bills will go up and stay up all through the year.